You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. Open the trunk. Remove the two holding screws on the outside of the lights using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T30 Torx socket. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, pull horizontally on the terminal's red tab. Push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. To replace the sidelight light bulbs, grab the plastic base and rotate it a quarter turn to the left. To remove the bulb from its housing, simply pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the base, then insert everything into the light and turn it one quarter turn to the right.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. The tab should open and let it pass through and close once it's in place. Plug the electrical connector back together. Then lock it. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.